So today I have a very exciting package. It's from Taylor Swift's merch. So let's see what I got. I ordered this December 1st and it just came today, which is like the 17th. So if you want stuff from Taylor Swift's website, it's going to take a long time to get to you. And I have 2 more packages on the way. I ordered them on the 7th, and neither of them have even shipped yet, so that's kind of annoying. I wish they didn't do that. I think she needs to hire more people during the holidays, so that way, you know, picking and processing is a lot quicker, because the shipping was fine. It was only a couple days to ship to me, but what took so long was actually processing the order. So, this is the box. It's very small. I usually get boxes that's twice the size of this when I order from Taylor's website, so maybe they're doing better with packing and not wasting so much stuff, because it's like filled to the brim. And oh my god, it's so exciting. Okay. So what I love about Taylor is that, well, everything, but also the paper that they wrap in looks like a newspaper that says Taylor Swift all over it. Look how pretty it is. It's so pretty. I have so much of this paper because I want to paper mache something, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. So I want to, but I haven't done it yet. Okay. So it looks like they put something extra in my order. I don't know what they put in here. Let me see. Let's just go on and start looking at what I ordered, and maybe I'll find something that I didn't order. I did the 5 for $50 t-shirt offer that they had. I already had probably 4 of the t-shirts that were part of that order. I really wish I got the cropped gray Reputation top, because the one I have is a little snug, not that flattering. So I thought if I went up a size or 2, maybe it would be more flattering to wear, but I decided against it for some reason. So, this is the first shirt, and then on the back is all the dates, and it says Reputation on the side. Very, very cute, and it's really soft. I really like this. Next is this top. This looks big. I got everything in a size large, I think, but this looks really big. I probably could have gotten a medium in this. But it's got her face on it. I think this is a really cute style. I actually got this in white too. They made it in a white long sleeve, and I got that one too. And then it just has the tour dates on the back. And the next one is the little tank top. This is really cute. And it just says rep, rep, rep down the side in darker gray. I like tank tops because I live in Florida and it's way too hot here. Alright, so next is that shirt in white, and then it has the dates on the sleeves, and then on the back it just says Reputation Stadium Tour. The final shirt for the 5 for $50 is this, and this is so soft also, and it's like the snake on the front. I also have the green snake shirt where it's on the little pocket and then also on the back. That's like my favorite shirt, but I suggest ordering down a size because they're so oversized. I actually could have sized down twice, but I like how long it is in the back, so I can wear it with leggings. And then the back has Reputation written down with the dates. Here's what they slid in there for free. Little Taylor Swift 1989 thing. That's cute. I've seen some people get like the red jersey tee, the hats and everything. Those are really cool. But it looks like that's the only thing I didn't order, was that little bracelet. And then I got that Swift Miss bundle, and it was $20. And it came with the little sunglasses. I'm never going to wear them, but okay. They look like this. On the side it says Reputation, and then on the side it says Taylor Swift. I have really bad vision, and I never wear sunglasses anyway, So I'm not gonna wear these, but the case is kind of cool. And then on the inside it says Reputation on the little tag. These do feel really cheap though. And I know that they're not cheap on their own. They're probably too much money for what they are. They feel really, really cheap. But I do like this case. The case is nice. And then next I got the pins. And I wanted this when the pins were $20 each, but the whole bundle was $20, and I thought that was a really good price for everything that came in it. So on this side it says Reputation, and on the other side, Taylor Swift Reputation. Then you open it up, and there's a silver one and a gold one. And these look really, really fancy. That's really nice. I love pins. So, nice little set with a silver and a gold pin. Next for that $20 bundle, I also got the coasters. And this little box is so cute. It looks like a giant guitar pick. So the front just has the album cover. And then the back says Taylor Swift Reputation. Oh wow. Okay, so each one is different. So there's this one. That's a really pretty picture. And then there's this one. And this one. And then the album cover. And then all of them do say that on the back. They just feel like plastic. I was kind of hoping maybe they would have cork on the back or something. Because if your glass starts to have condensation around it, it's going to flip up with your glass and keep falling on the ground. So I was kind of hoping maybe a little bit of cork or something to stop it from sticking, but they're still really cute. I just don't know how good they'd be for a coaster because it's just a piece of plastic. The last thing that came in that $20 bundle was the clear Reputation bag, and it says Taylor Swift Reputation Stadium Tour. And I really like this little bag. It's really cute and nice and thick and durable. And so many places now you can only bring in a clear bag, so they'd be good for any kind of concert you go to or anything. But also, you know, if you get groceries, it would be good for groceries. It's a good size, and since it's plastic, you know, if you get something in there that spills, you can just wipe it out and it wouldn't be a big deal. So I really like this bag. This has like so many uses. It's great. So I think this is really, really cute. The last thing is this tote bag, and it's definitely bigger than I thought it would be. I also bought another one of these in one of my other orders. So it just says Taylor Swift, and then it has the seagulls on it. I really like it. The seagulls are kind of blurry, if you can see that. It doesn't look like her writing is blurry, but the seagulls do look pretty blurry. I was kind of hoping they would look clearer. But that's everything that I ordered. I can tell you the price of this. Let me see. I had a 15% off coupon. If you're going to order from Taylor Swift's website, I do think you should get the coupon. You get it from signing up for her emails, and then pretty much right away you'll get that email with the 15% off, which can be used on almost everything. It didn't work on the 5 for $50 t-shirt thing, but it worked for the bundle and it worked for the beach tote. So I mean, it depends on what you order, but I mean, 15% is 15%, you know. It's pretty awesome that she does that. And then you can always unsubscribe if you want, but it is nice to get notified when she does have sales. So I keep up with her emails, and I like that she sends them. But with the 10% off, the tote was $7.64, and the second time I ordered was later, because it was the 7th instead of the 1st. And pretty much everything in the old Taylor section was on like major clearance. This tote was $3 then. And then I used the 15% off then too, because there's a welcome 15% you get, and then if you order something from her, you will get another nice to see you again email with 15% off your next order. So if you keep going with that, you will never have to pay full price with anything from her website. And if you don't have one of those in your email, you can just, register with another email and get another 15% off coupon. So it definitely comes in handy. I saved, I don't know, maybe $1, maybe a little less than $1 on the tote. And then with the Swiftmas bundle, it was $17 instead of $20. So I saved $3 there. So I saved around like $4, which doesn't seem like a lot, but I mean, that's better than nothing. It doesn't look like they charged me tax, and the shipping is free over $50. So it's a pretty good deal. I mean, especially when you consider how much everything was originally. I mean, this is a great deal. I know these t-shirts originally were like $50 for one, maybe $40 if it's one of the cheaper ones. So to get them $10 each, that's like a really great deal. I really wish that 15% off worked with it, but that's kind of asking a little too much because it's already a really good deal. So altogether, I spent $74.64, which is a lot of money, especially because I don't work that often. Today I work, but it's like maybe once or twice a week I go to work. I'm also a student, so probably shouldn't be spending $74 on Taylor Swift merch, and also shouldn't have 2 more boxes coming in the mail. But, she's got a hold on me. So, hopefully I will also make a video of what I'm getting when everything comes in the mail next week, maybe. It looks like right now they're picking and processing my order, so it should be shipping either today or tomorrow. And then, maybe 3 days for shipping, and maybe Friday or Monday, maybe it'll come to me, and then I'll be able to open it and see what I got. So that will be exciting. There's going to be more in those, more little things, like a lot of ornaments and a couple t-shirts, just some odds and ends from the old Taylor section. Everything I got here, except for this beach tote, was Reputation. The beach tote was from 1989. But everything else is new stuff, and they were having some crazy deals leading up to the 13th, which is Taylor's birthday. She had a bunch of sales. It was like one after another. Every day she came out with another sale. So it was really great. Hopefully if you're interested in that, you did pick something up, because I haven't looked on it since I ordered the second time, but I'm guessing all of the special deals are over. Maybe there are still some bundles, but I don't know. I looked in the old Taylor section maybe a week ago, and doesn't look like there was like anything left in there. I know I got like one of everything that I wanted, so someone who has a couple kids that really like Taylor, they might have gotten 2 or 3 of the same items or more just because it's on sale. So a lot of that stuff is gone now, so that's kind of a bummer that there's not more stuff in stock, but it's back stock, so it's just nice that she still has it. But as far as today goes, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed. I just love Taylor. I have a lot of Taylor stuff, but there's always room for more. So I'm really excited to get the other stuff. I do love how soft these shirts are though. I definitely recommend them, especially these little tank tops that she has. They are so soft. So that's really nice. I love soft clothes. I care more about being comfortable than being cute. So if I can find stuff that's really soft and really comfortable, I will wear it to death. So definitely these little tank tops. I'm going to be wearing these things all the time to sleep, out on errands, I mean anything. You can wear like this, a little cardigan on top if it gets a little chilly, because right now, oh my god, it's 60 degrees outside, it's freezing. So, you know, a little light cardigan is always nice. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you again sometime next week when I get my other orders in, and I'll do a little video for that. But until next time, thank you for watching.